Samsung's budget smartphone Samsung F06 is here. In this video, we are going to see how this phone performs in real world tasks. Is the phone worth your money? Also find out this phone suits for whom. So if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button for more tech reviews. Let's start with this design. Samsung F06 is looking modern and sleek as like the Samsung's 2025 style. The back panel is plastic and looks glossy and reflective. That's eye-catching, good look in photo, also good look in the real world. The side frames are look like grey metallic finish, but it's also plastic. The thickness of it is 8mm and the weight was 191 gram, but the phone doesn't feel as heavy. The weight distribution is so good. So the dual camera module look like an Apple iPhone X. In the front side, the bottom bezels are noticeably thick. Side bezels are also not so thin, but it's just a budget smartphone, right? In the top, there was a water top notch with the front camera, and the display here is 1600 into 720 pixel resolution, and it's an LCD screen. Its resolution was ST+. For a 6.7-inch screen, Samsung could have provided a full HD display, but it was only HD+. In indoors, the display is fine for readability and social media usage, but for the outdoor, due to the reflective screen and the brightness levels, it's hard to use the phone. Also, this phone is good for if you are only going to stream the content via YouTube and using social media apps, but not suitable for the high quality streamings. The display has a 90Hz refresh rate. The phone scrolling animations are too smooth. There is no complaint about it. In the software section, the phone comes with One UI 7 and Android 15 out of the box itself. Also, Samsung provides 4 years of security update and 4 years of OS update for this phone. It's going to be the unique selling point of this phone because even so many flagship and flagship killer devices do not get this much of updates. The One UI 7 options like notification screen, new icon and animations are also there, but there is no AI options. Also, Samsung's proprietary customization app Good Luck not available for this phone because it's fall under a budget smartphone. For audio concern, there was a down-facing speaker. Also, there is an option to connect the wired headphones via 3.5mm headphone jack is still present here. The loudness and clarity with the single-facing speaker for content watching is above average, but attending the call via this phone's loudspeaker is not so good. But there is no issue with taking calls via earpiece. Also, this phone supports 12 5G bands and network reception and call quality is exceptional in this phone. We didn't face any call drops. So it has a hybrid SIM slot. We can use dual SIMs or one SIM with one memory card. With that micro SD card, we can expand the memory up to 1.5 dB. For internal storage, it has a 128 GB storage and a RAM variant of 4 and 6 GB. We have a base variant of 4 GB RAM. So if you want higher quality audio with this phone, you can connect a 3.5mm headphone jack or an earbuds. So till the way, if you feel this video useful, hit the like button. Next, with the battery, it has a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Samsung still not incorporated the silicon carbon batteries like Chinese players. Still, this 5000 mAh battery can be lost long for an one-day usage. For our usage, we solidly get the screen on time of 6 to 6.5 hours. Also, it has a quick charging support of 25 watts. As usual, the phone charger not included in the box. So with using the 25 watts quick charging, we can fill the phone from 0 to 100 within 1 hour 15 minutes. With Android 15 and One UI 7 optimization, the phone battery performance was really solid. Next, we look into the cameras. The main camera is in 50 megapixel and the secondary depth sensor was 2 megapixel. But with the megapixel count, we cannot judge the photo quality. With a good lighting condition, the photos are decent, good enough to use for social media. But we can't expect more dynamic range and high detail like a flagship device. And in the front, it has an 8 megapixel selfie camera. In the selfie camera, the skin tones are smooth and a lot. The sharpness is missing. Also, portrait mode in the device is hit or miss. We can't expect every time perfect portrait photos. It became more complex when the background is too messy. For video, it can record up to only Full HD 30 fps. 4K recording option is not available. Overall, these cameras are good for taking some casual photos. Finally, performance. The phone comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. This processor can easily handle day-to-day tasks. There is no lag at all. Can easily manage a couple of apps in multitasking. For everyday tasks like WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube and light multitasking, the phone performs smoothly. But if you are a heavy user or are going to play the games like BGMI, the phone struggles a lot. We try to play the BGMI for long hours in balanced mode. The phone warm up a little bit but doesn't heat up. But we can surely feel the lag and frame rate drops in it. So overall, if you want a reliable budget 5G phone from Samsung, this is a reliable option which gets in 4 years of security badge and Android update, or you are going to buy this phone for your parents who are all going to use WhatsApp, Facebook and some social media apps, this could be a good option. But if you are upgrading your old 5G phone to new, or if you are a heavy user who plays heavy games, or you want to take lots of photos, this phone is not for you. Do let us know in comments what do you think about this phone. And if you feel this video is useful to you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.